Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a funny animal craft with the help of a paper glass and straw. See, for this we will need a paper glass, some straws, a sheet, some colors, sketch pens you can take, sellotape, glue and scissor. This is all we need. Now I have drawn a rough drawing of a lion and its paws and a tie. Now we'll color it and we will cut it out. See, I've cut the face of the lion, the tie and the two paws here, and I've taken 3 flexible straws. Okay. See, now what we'll do is we'll cut 2 straws from the bottom, not from the flexible side, the other side. Okay. Now see, I've cut these 2 straws and here is the big straw. 2 small and 1 big. Now what I will do is place the big straw in the center and the 2 small straws at the side, like this. Now see these 3 straws, we will tape it. Okay, but before taping it, what we have to do is to keep the flexible side of the small straws like this. Okay, the flexible side of the small straws at the bottom. Okay, the big straw at the center and the 2 flexible straws like this, the flexible side at the bottom. Now we will tape the other side. See, like this. It is done. We have taped it. Now next what we have to do is to take the glass and make a hole at the bottom and 2 holes over here. So I made the holes, okay, at the side and at the bottom. Now we will put the big straw through the bottom hole and the small one through the side holes, like this. Okay, like this. See, now we will paste the paws on the side straws like this. Then I am pasting the tie of the lion. I am using Fevicol over here, and then the face. Now see, this is done. Now we'll keep it aside to dry. Okay, now see, it is ready. Our dancing lion ready. See, looking so funny, isn't it? Now I've made a fox also. See, a dancing fox. Hope you will like this video and please do subscribe it. Thank you for watching it. Bye.